Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila. Danko, I'm going to do a lineup prediction of Kaizer Chiefs versus AmaZulu FC. A match that is going to be played at Moses Mabhida Stadium, le kulga banana at Durban. So obvious, in the minds of the co-coaches, they'll be like, you've already done the job. Even if the starting 11 doesn't seem like it's that solid, let's give other players a chance to prove themselves since it's the last stretch of the season. But doing so, it's also important to make sure that the players that are regulars are on the bench so that if things don't go according to plan, they might be introduced. So we are going to play against the AmaZulu FC. Now they are playing for Guti. Babene Pride, they are playing for good, at least bangabi far away from a top 4. So we know very well that AmaZulu FC are a team that uses fullbacks to get their goals. Uhanamub and Ukhatebe, they are always the busiest in the field of play. We're gonna get Abu Hendrik Ekstein, Atini Makogolo, but they get to score goals because of the two fullbacks. Simply means with Kaizer Chiefs, when they set up, they have to put wingers that will pin Uhanamub and Ukhatebe in their own half, not to overlap that much. So as well as from number 1, it will be maybe not a bad idea to give other goalkeepers a chance, but Brendan Peterson is chasing that record of Utimole Nkune, trying to equal him with at least having 16 clean sheets in a single season. Utimole Nkune had 16 and then now he's already sitting on 14 clean sheets, only 2 games away from equaling Utimole Nkune's number of clean sheets in a single season. So he cannot jeopardize that Unjebe, even though I'd like to see Bruce or Ufea Krentwari, or maybe give Umazamba a chance, Simbona Gutupete, but Brendan Peterson is a man on a mission because he still wants to cement his position with the FIFA World Cup. So Naranjan, Akale. Left back is going to be Bradley Cross, Mr. Consistent, I believe Guti, so far so good. Akukho ngakuthatha from Bradley Cross. His performances are showing Guti. He is the preferred number 1 fullback for Kaizer Chiefs. Left centre back, Aaron McCart. I believe Guti is a soldier and he's one of the consistent players for Kaizer Chiefs. Even though there were injuries here and there, but he was able to come back stronger and fight for the club, fight for the badge. So for a player that he didn't get that breakthrough from when he was promoted up until now, that patience, it means a lot about a player. The dedication he was putting while he was being deployed with DDC, but had a first team contract, but he wasn't played. So that's something you need to comment about a player of his caliber. You'd swear that he's been in the top flight football for years now, but no, it's his first season. I'd say Guti, in this generation, we do have different kind of center backs, ball players of center backs. Abantu abangapheniki mabaphethe ball. Bona from Abombogazi, Bokhuluma Nendamane, Libone Siyema, you can name a few. Then let's go to a right center back. I think the next season is going to be a difficult one, especially if Given Msimango remains injury free and keeps his head high. Anyakjele, if Igelambuso is going to have another thing coming because his contract now iaphela next season. So Given Msimango is giving him a run of his mouth. Right back, believe what is going to be Monyane. Monyane, that's Monyane. No. Monyane is one of the players I'd say Guti. He gave me he served me a humble pie because I thought Guti I also very injured the whole season as he was go Orlando Pirates. But at Chiefs, I don't know ukuthi is it a matter ukuthi he's trying to prove a point or he's playing for a club that he believes ukuthi he's gonna give his utmost best. Nanoma umbonga ukuthi some games he's limping but he fights. And with Solomon's rolled out for the remainder of the season and Frosler naye being his backup, it simply means it gives him that push ukuthi alwele ukuba consistent because you know the qualities of Rick Frosler. Then middle of the park, I think it's where they would try to change because in the back four we saw most of the time a consistency from the coaches, but the middle and the forward, that's where there have been changes. But this time I think we're gonna come back with the same trio that started against Esikhukhune United. It's Ox as number 6. We are resting Umaboy. He played a lot of games. I believe he deserves that rest. Ku number 8, it's Umshini again. I believe if Ulilepo didn't get that man of the match, Umshini deserved it because he did put in a solid shift in the middle of the park. Anything that he touched on that day was bound to become something that is going to be good. Forward passes made Chiefs look like a team that could score, even though we were wasteful at times. But him being there, because we know his qualities, he doesn't lose the ball cheaply. He plays it simple. Trap pass, scan, and then move the ball forward. His ball retention is what makes him to stand out in that middle of the park. He's calm on the ball. It's just good to sometimes we always say he's lazy. As a number 8, uNdlovu uzothi nayo ukuhlaliswa ebenchini ukuthi at least masekonakala afakwa. But I don't think the coaches now they are stressing about the results. Yes, it is a good thing to keep on winning because now they would want to chase that record. Mr. Ernst Middendorp. Good. Let's try and get 57 points in a single season. And then number 10 is Gaston Sereno again. Experience and also trying by all means to use equality in that middle of the park and him to frustrate that trio of Amazulu FC. Kuma wingers, I think let's give ama 2K a chance. Sibone ukuthi mabaqala negame bazosinikana. Ku left winger is going to be Asanele Velepai. Obviously, he is gonna be responsible for making sure ukuthi Ukhatebe doesn't overlap. Kubo yompina in his own half with his speed because you know ukuthi makunovelepayo uzogijimiswa kuze kube buhlungu inyawo. So I believe ukuthi he's going to be tasked to do that. Ku striker, let's reward Morris ukuthi aqale to see ukuthi makaqala negame ukwazi ukuthi ay contain na ukuze azokwazi ukuthi akhoze inkinga in the defense of our opponents. Besides, there's nothing to lose. But no, Silva naye is playing for something because he wants to be another player that it would be said ukuthi he registered double figures for a club like Kaizer Chiefs in his first season. The last time it was Ukigen Doli and Ukama Pilat. And now he's 1 goal or 1 assist away from registering double figures because he's sitting on 9 goals and 1 assist. But he's also looking to score at least 10 goals in his first season in the league because overall he has reached double figures. 2 goals apart from Betway Premiership. He has 1 goal with CAF Confederation, 1 goal with Nedbank Cup, and 8 goals ngapha with Betway Premiership. Now we're saying it's contradicted because at first I said we took 9 goals. No, we got 8 goals and 1 assist. Right winger is going to be Upepa 2, Palama Palani, Mfundo Vilakazi. I believe Guti, he's proving Guti. Give me game time. Stop this thing with you are protecting me because you are protecting me from what? The decision making that I'm failing at, it is the one that I have to make sure that I fix by giving me those minutes because lawa mancane engena ku I'm under pressure already ukuthi everything that I do must be precise, because there's pressure ukuthi I do read the game so well. That's why they call me a game changer. So start me with the game and then we'll take it from there. Sibone ukuthi kahle kahle yini game, because he proved us wrong in that game versus Isikhukhune ukuthi even if you take him to the left hand side, he does play well, especially for that penalty he caused, because udlalwe ngale bafaka nice ball, wafika nje first touch yakhe, it was smooth, wakwazi ukungena in front of uMashilwane and delayed his decision up until he saw the oncoming Lilip. It ended up being a penalty. So lokho kuyachaza ukuthi he can play left, right and central. So it means ukuthi we have an asset there. So it's all about how do we unleash the beast in Umfundo Vilakazi. Thank you very much. Sibonana ku video landelayo. Dango.